To analyse your search further, click the Search option, go to Report Center. The Report Center has two types of reports: Generate Reports, which lets you pull data off the database, and Analyse Results, which lets you examine your search further. The Results Summary Report looks at the group of animals within your search and determines the average breeding value for each trait, as well as the minimum and maximum. The report displays the average in an EBV chart. The Size Summary Report looks at the size of the animals within your search and reports the number of progeny represented by each sire, as well as the breeding values of the sire. The Trait Distribution Report produces a bar graph, grouping the animals within your search based on a chosen breeding value. Simply select the trait from the drop-down box you wish to examine. You can view the animals that are represented by the bar simply by clicking on the bar. The bar will turn orange, and if you scroll down the page, the animals will be listed, as well as a list of their breeding values. The Trait Comparison Report lets you select two traits to examine and then plots animals within your search on a scatter plot. Again, select the traits you wish to examine. The further to the right the dot is, the larger the breeding value of the animal for trait 1, and the higher up the graph, the larger the breeding value for trait 2. Hover over the dot to bring up the ID of the animal the dot represents. Alternatively, if you click and drag, you will create a box which, if put over the dots, will turn them orange, and the animals which are now represented by orange dots will be listed below with their breeding values. To download or print off the Trait Comparison Report, simply click Download Trait Comparison Report at the bottom of the page.